How to use WhatsApp Wave. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily use WhatsApp Wave on your PC. First thing first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for WhatsApp Wave and just click on this first link over here. And you just have to basically open your Android phone and make sure you are also logged into that account and just scan the QR code which appears over here. So once you scan the QR code, it will automatically load your chats. That means basically it will sync your mobile device WhatsApp account to your PC version. So you just have to wait for a few seconds until it loads all of your chats successfully. And just like that, you should be successfully logged into your account on your PC version as well. So from over here, you can basically perform all sort of activities which you were performing in your mobile version of WhatsApp. So the only problem you will have or you will be getting on while using the WhatsApp Wave is that whenever you click on any of the chat and if you want to call that particular person, you need to actually have the application version to actually make any sort of video call or audio call. So other than that, all of the features are basically the same as your mobile device. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.